And welcome. Today we're going to look at a product from Edifier. It's the R20 Bluetooth. Some more information. And these are the speakers itself. This one has the line that goes into the other speaker, and also a USB-C for power and for anything else, and for sound. There's the power button, volume up and down, and this is the power button for the lights. So let's check this out. It's like a piano black. So the finish is piano black, as you can see. And on the other side, let's take this down as well. You can see it's one speaker that probably does highs and mids and bass, and there's also an out for the bass. So when you turn it on, as you can see the colors, you can tap to go through them. Really nice color. What do you think they are sitting on? They're sitting, of course, on an Edifier speaker. So yeah, let's see on the other side. Same. I think this is the one where it goes through the colors. Let's just turn this off a bit. Really nice light coming from there, and rubber fit on the bottom. And yes, if you wonder, if you press and hold, probably it shuts down. So now this is how you turn it on. So that's how it comes up. Is Edifier, and you connect it. So let's play some music.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see covered in cross out the ones who heard my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay guys, so there you have it. It sounds really good. I wish this was controlled, it would flash off with music, but I don't think it does that. But yeah, I really like it. Thanks for watching. So this is how it is inside the app. You have the input sources, sound effects. So you can have it on classic, dynamic, or you can even customize your how many bands it has. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 bands. Really nice. I'll leave it on dynamic for now. I think that should do. Volume control, you can do the lights, and yes, you have a beat sync, which is lovely. So it's gonna, I thought it didn't have this, but it does have, so that's really cool. And then yeah, and that's it.